What do Warren Buffett and successful content creators have in common? At first glance, it might seem like these two worlds are miles apart. You might be surprised to learn that the answer is a lot. Both are masters of their craft, leveraging their unique skills to create lasting value. Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, built his fortune by investing in undervalued assets and holding them for the long term. His strategy is all about patience, research, and making informed decisions. Content creators can use these same principles to build a loyal audience and generate sustainable income. By focusing on quality and consistency, they can create content that stands the test of time. Think about it. Instead of stocks, content creators invest in their skills, their brand, and their audience. They put in the time and effort to hone their craft, just like Buffett does with his investments. Just like a carefully curated stock portfolio, a strong content library can appreciate in value over time, generating returns for years to come. Each piece of content is an asset that can attract new viewers and retain loyal fans. It's all about playing the long game, folks. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and smart strategies, it can be achieved. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of Warren Buffett's investment strategies and apply them to your content creation journey? Imagine the possibilities when you combine financial wisdom with creative passion. Let's dive in and explore how these principles can help you build a content empire that would make even the Oracle of Omaha proud. Together, we'll uncover the steps to long-term success and sustainable growth. Warren Buffett is famous for his value investing approach, a strategy that has made him one of the most successful investors of all time. He looks for undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential, carefully analyzing every detail before making an investment. Content creators can apply the same principle by creating high-quality, evergreen content that provides lasting value to their audience. This type of content remains relevant and useful over time, much like a well-chosen stock. Think of your content as your stock, an asset that can grow in value. The more valuable it is, the more it will appreciate over time, attracting more viewers and generating more engagement. Focus on creating content that is informative, engaging, and shareable. High-quality content can establish you as an authority in your field, solve a problem, answer a question, or teach your audience something new. This not only helps your audience, but also builds trust and loyalty. This is how you create content that people will come back to again and again, ensuring a steady stream of traffic and engagement. Remember, content is king, but quality content is king of kings. It stands out in a crowded market and keeps your audience coming back for more. Just like Buffett wouldn't invest in a company with a shaky foundation, you shouldn't put your name on content that isn't well-researched, well-written, and well-produced. Quality is paramount. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips. Warren Buffett is a long-term investor. He doesn't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. He knows that the real money is made by holding on to great assets for the long haul. Content creators need to adopt a similar mindset. Building a successful content platform takes time and consistent effort. Don't expect to become an overnight sensation. Focus on creating high-quality content and promoting it strategically. Over time, your audience will grow, your content will gain traction, and your income will start to snowball. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful content empire. Be patient, be persistent, and keep your eye on the long-term prize. The results will speak for themselves. Warren Buffett is a big believer in diversification. He knows that putting all your eggs in one basket is a recipe for disaster. Content creators should heed this advice and diversify their content strategies. Take Casey Neistat, for example. He doesn't just rely on YouTube, he also engages with his audience on Instagram and Twitter. Pat Flynn has diversified his content by running a successful blog, podcast, and offering online courses. Joe Rogan, on the other hand, has built a massive following through his podcast, YouTube channel, and social media presence. By diversifying your content portfolio, you'll be less vulnerable to algorithm changes, platform shutdowns, and other unforeseen circumstances. You'll also be able to reach a wider audience and tap into multiple revenue streams. It's a win-win. Section 5. Case Study, MrBeast and the Power of Compounding Value. Let's take a look at a real-life example of a content creator who's crushing it by applying Warren Buffett's investment principles, MrBeast. This YouTube sensation has built a massive following and a multi-million-dollar empire by consistently creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to his audience. His videos are not just entertaining, but also innovative, often involving large-scale challenges and generous giveaways. MrBeast understands the power of compounding. He knows that small, consistent efforts can lead to exponential growth over time. He reinvests his earnings back into his channel, creating even bigger and better videos. This reinvestment strategy has allowed him to continuously up the ante, making each video more spectacular than the last. He's also diversified his income streams, launching a successful fast food chain and a variety of merchandise lines. These ventures not only provide additional revenue, but also strengthen his brand. MrBeast's success is a testament to the power of Warren Buffett's investment principles. By focusing on long-term value and reinvesting his profits, he has created a sustainable and growing business model. By creating valuable content, playing the long game, and diversifying his income streams, MrBeast has built a content empire that's the envy of the internet. His journey is a perfect example of how dedication, smart investment, and a focus on value can lead to extraordinary success. Section 6. Building your content empire brick by brick. Building a successful content platform is like building a house. You need a strong foundation, quality materials, and a clear vision. Start by identifying your niche, your target audience, and your unique value proposition. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for your audience? What makes your content stand out from the crowd? Once you have a solid foundation, you can start creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Remember, content is king, but consistency is queen. Establish a regular posting schedule and stick to it. The more consistent you are, the more your audience will grow to trust and rely on you. Section 7. Patience, young grasshopper. Content growth takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful content platform. Be patient and persistent. It takes time to build an audience, establish your brand, and generate sustainable income. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating high-quality content, promoting it strategically, and engaging with your audience. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. It's that simple. Remember, the content creation journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, stay focused, and enjoy the ride. Section 8. The Buffet. Feasting on the fruits of your labor. Once you've put in the hard work and built a successful content platform, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Just like Warren Buffett enjoys the dividends from his investments, you can enjoy the rewards of your content creation efforts. These rewards can take many forms, such as financial freedom, creative fulfillment, and the satisfaction of building something meaningful. You might even have the opportunity to turn your passion into a full-time career. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to content creation. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of Warren Buffett's wisdom, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Section 9. Your content legacy awaits. Start investing today. So there you have it. Warren Buffett's investment principles can be applied to content creation to achieve remarkable results. By focusing on creating valuable content, playing the long game, and diversifying your income streams, you can build a content empire that will stand the test of time. What are you waiting for? Start investing in your content today and watch your empire grow. The world is waiting to hear your story. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Pause 2S. As we conclude this journey through the parallels of content creation and investment strategies, remember that the key to success lies in consistent effort, adaptability, and a long-term vision. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, the principles we've discussed can guide you toward a prosperous content career. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. Stay inspired, keep creating, and let's build something amazing together. Until next time, happy creating.